What's up YouTube, it's Josh Creates here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to put heat transfer vinyl on a canvas. Yes, a canvas, a flat back canvas, not the original hang on the wall canvas. But let's go over the equipment first to see how to do it. First you'll need your cricutmaker, cricut mat right here, heat press, your canvas. I know this already has a design on it. This is painted. It was painted red and blue. I kind of use white paint to paint over, so maybe when I put the heat transfer vinyl on here, it may not stick. I have seen videos where people got it to stick. If it doesn't stick, try to use premium vinyl, which is another alternative to HTV. It's like for stickers and stuff, but this, it may not stick because I already painted over it, like, you know, the canvas. Maybe, we'll see. You need your Teflon sheet. You need your HTV vinyl. This, I don't know if you guys can see it, this is rainbow reflective, like a hologram. When you take a picture, it you know, lights up and look like a rainbow. And then you need Cricut design space. This is the design I will be doing. AC/DC, let me know in the comments if you're an AC/DC fan like me. And yeah, let's get right into it. So now that I have my design up that I want to use, it's time to make it. I have all my dimensions perfectly. This is the size I want it. This is the length and stuff. Now I could go and make it. Don't forget to mirror your images. It's mirrored. Go down, press continue. It's connecting to my cricutmaker over there. It connected. And now you want to go over to everyday iron on when you're using heat transfer vinyl. So now that it's ready, I put the vinyl on the mat, which I already did. I already put the vinyl on the mat, and now it's time to transfer it to the cutting machine so the design can get cut. Hit that button whenever you're ready. Hold on, it didn't load good. Let me take it back out. Make sure everything is good, everything is flat. Let's see now. It should be good. And once that's blinking, let me just time to start. So I already weeded out my design. I cut it out. I did two. I decided to do two. The first one I did, the first attempt went awful. So I just did two. A big one and a small one. And now it's time to put it on the canvas. I'm using a flat back canvas, like it's smooth in the back and, you know, design up here and stuff like that. I'm not using this type of canvas. If you're using this type of canvas on this type of heat press, I don't think it's gonna heat press onto the canvas flat. It's gonna have some type of angle issues, and you'll probably have to use an easy press or an iron, a general iron. And when you're heat pressing on here, you should have something underneath here to compress it up so it won't like burn through or break through anything. So yeah, that's my little canvas that I painted. My birthday is January 21st. I love these designs, this, that, the other. And yeah, now it's time to put the designs on here. I don't think I need to pre-press, but hey, let's do it just because. Yeesh, I did something right here. Yep, did something right here. Now it's time to put it where I want to. We'll just put it here. Yeah, we'll just put it there. I think I should use heat transfer tape. Hold on guys while I place my design. I'm gonna use heat transfer tape. So I put heat transfer tape on my designs on the heat transfer vinyl just to hold it down. Now it's time to heat press, but first let me put the Teflon sheet over like that, and let's see. Let's press. It looked like it's sticked. Definitely kind of messes up the... Wow. This was red and blue. Now it's orange and green, or red and green. But let's see if my design really sticked onto the canvas. Oh, it kind of did, but it didn't all the way. Okay, I see. Yeah, look at that, guys. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, okay. The A is there, the lightning bolt is there. Oh wow, so that's what's under. Oh wow. So these are the final. Yeah, that's the final result, I guess. And that's how you, I guess that's what happens when you heat press onto the canvas. I guess I'll be using premium adhesive vinyl instead, which is a better option, I think. Sheesh. At least I tried. At least I tried. You'll never know until you try. That's my senior year quote. You never know until you try. So guys, as you've seen, I did try to heat press, use HTV on the canvas. I think maybe I did it wrong, or maybe it just didn't work. Who knows? But at least I tried. And that's one thing I like about crafting and customizing and designing things. It's just trial and error, and you'll always learn from your mistakes. And that's one thing everybody should understand in life, that it's just lessons. It's up to you if you want to learn from it. Alright, but anyways guys, that's it for this video. It's Josh Creates. I'm out. Peace.